In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to download and install AnyDesk on Windows. Make sure you are connected to internet. Now open any of the browser in your device. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. At the top you can see their search bar, type there AnyDesk. Download. Scroll down. You can see the link of download AnyDesk for free. Click on that link. Now here you can see the option of download now. Click on it. At the bottom left corner you can see that it is being downloaded. Now you have to click on it. Click on install anyway. You can see that it is being installed and already opened. In this way, you can easily download and install AnyDesk in your Windows. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.